Drive fast, park cars in the boulevard. Go far, might pull up on the Hall of Fame.
What's up, guys? This might look familiar. We're back at 52 O Street, back at home. And we're starting here because today is the, is this the first ever open studios, Amir?
No. We only do them twice a month.
Okay. Well, this is the first open studios I've caught here. Basically, the entire building of 52 O Street opens up. All the artists open their doors, and so I'm assuming that it all looks really cool. And the thing is about this building is that there's so many places and there's so many talented artists coming out of here, but you just don't know half of them. And some of them do incredible work. So I'm gonna take you guys along the journey today. We're gonna visit some studios. We're gonna see what everyone's doing, see all the interesting artists that I don't even know about here. And you know what? This might be some inception because you might see some of them on my podcast in the future. So this might be like a little bit of like fortune telling of some guests to come. So let's meet up with our Tinder date and enjoy this tour.
That's 3 years ago.
You all sick.
Then one of the shows he
Oh man,
2 shows he
that was so random though, but funny as hell. You're a crazy dude, man.
What's your name? What's going on with your
What's up? I'm Noah. Noah Hirsch.
Fucking Lucifer, man.
Hey.
Don't ask me my deepest desires.
What is your deepest desire?
Ooh, don't look me in the eyes either.
Tell me, what is it? What is it?
I'm getting
What
a
do you
chub.
desire?
I'm
What
getting
do
a
you
chub, so
desire?
stop it.
Oh, so you killed your mother. Wait, you seem genuinely upset. Almost like there's no way you could have killed your mother. Yeah, you are quite upset. Oh my god, those are tears.
Dude, you've been watching way too much.
Way
Lucifer.
too much. Way too much.
Alright, guys, this is Luis.
What's up?
And he has the most expensive instant camera
$1,200.
on the market. Holy crap. And we're about to go take the first photo.
Let it expose for you. Pull the slides that come out.
Okay, so you guys just saw video.
Video.
Alright, you guys just saw the world's most failed instant camera.
It was amazing.
Wait, they're still trying to figure it out.
You can hear the film. You can hear the film.
I hope you guys are enjoying this look at the open studios at 52 O Street in Washington, D.C. Kildy Tolls is absolutely killing the game, and I hope to have him on the podcast. Just going to plant that inception right there. But as you can see now, we are in Creative Hands Studio, and it is a co-owned studio, but the only person I know out of it is my buddy Julian, who actually was just on the podcast. At the time of recording this, he wasn't, so it's kind of some cool looking back preception, whatever the word is. I have no idea. But all this madness going on in the room right now, they actually are having a photography meetup called Street Meet. Basically, that's where a bunch of photographers come and work with models, and they just take a crap ton of photos and try and get that juicy Instagram content. I didn't partake, but I love the Street Meet guys, and I love Pierre and Josue and everything they're doing over there. So let's keep rolling with the look at 52 O Street Studios, because there are some crazy studios that you have yet to see.
What's up?
What kind of random madness you got going on in here, man? There's
All
dudes
the
on
madness.
ladders with their shirts off.
All the
taking
madness,
photos.
bro. I'm encouraging it. I'm here for it. I love
yeah,
it.
man.
I love the creative energy. Please welcome everyone. You can come in.
Yeah, come on in.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Get your
If you don't mind
flickies
someone
in.
stepping on your
That's
shoes.
What?
You're cute. What? Oh, an IKEA. What? I want to touch it. Don't you touch it. Is it really? Is it really? It doesn't feel like paper. This man likes big titties. No, we haven't. Oh yeah, work it, Taylor. Oh yeah, baby. Oh,
Hey,
sexy.
you already know.
Yeah, so this is my buddy. Hey, you look familiar.
Hi.
What's up?
How are you?
How's it going?
Good.
You're just modeling for everyone today. Modeling for everyone today.
Yeah.
Get that content.
Yeah.
Me too. What's up, Jerry?
What's up? Welcome.
Hey, you trying to support a gold-ranked player?
I'll get you the platinum, baby. I'll get you the platinum.
Yo, no cap? No cap? No cap?
Maybe cap, Chuck.
Who you texting?
No one.
Texting your third. Wow.
You have to work on your angles though.
All right, guys, I'm gonna show you. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how it's done. We're gonna show you how to hit the poses. Oh, never mind. I'm not hitting the poses. He's hitting the poses. I lied. When you hit the poses, I'm going. Hit the poses on here. I got one. I gotta get my phone out. You gotta.
You're not playing with the light well enough.
Which light? The natural light
Play
or
with
this
the red
light?
light.
The red light? I mean, it's
Gotta play
kinda,
with the light.
It's kind of hard. It's gotta like, boom, switch it up. See, I know a little something. What can I say?
So like your angles are just incredible.
Hey, welcome to your own studio.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to my studio.
Yeah.
What's
you
up?
already know.
What's up?
John?
Chilling.
How's it
Yo,
going?
looking good.
Hey, you too.
Where you going?
Damn, Taylor, you're really trying to bring her to hell, bro. What the hell, dude?
You gotta risk your life, man.
Damn.
You're not risking your life. Is it really streaming?
It's not, dude.
It's not.
If you're not standing on a ledge somewhere, is it really content? You know?
Yeah. You gotta get it, man, all the time. Focus.
Bro,
Are you a vlogger?
what's going on? Yeah, man.
Where's your vlog gonna go?
It's gonna go on Casey Neistat.
Oh,
shit.
shit.
YouTube.com/Casey Neistat.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's me, dude.
That's awesome,
Yeah,
man.
check it out.
Good luck starting a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm working, dude. I'm working. What's going on, little man? How you doing? I like that eat sticker you got right there. That sticker, I like that.
Oh, thank you.
You know Malik?
Yeah, I know him.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
This is what my future child looks like. How long you been taking photos for?
6 years.
No way. You are 6. What do you mean 6 years?
3 years.
What are you looking at?
Oh no, don't get me.
What's going on, Marty? What's up with
I murdered you, remember?
it? Of course.
This one what I like the most. This is the picture I like the most right here. That's the picture right here. Now I gotta take another one.
Yeah, go for it. So what made you get into photography, Miles?
Huh?
What made you want to take photos?
Nobody.
Nobody? You just wanted to do it? You're gonna tag me on Instagram if you post me? Tag me on the gram? I need my clout. I need all the clout.
That's a lot of work.
Thank you, man. I'll be sure to hit up your agent. All right, Amir. Wait. You're too dark like that. You just look
Racial.
You look super black.
Racist. Racist nasty.
Hey, man, if you saw that footage, you say the same thing. Awesome stuff today. Congrats on the sales.
Thank you, man. Thank you,
And
Bruce.
congrats on the Apple keynote you're going to be giving.
Thank you, Bruce. We're going to have to bounce some ideas off
Yeah.
each other. Matter of fact, look out for Bruce's show, December 20th.
Ooh, oh, you're plugging me?
Yeah.
Plugging me?
December 20th at the Cheshire, excuse me. It's going to be an amazing night for all, for everyone.
You better be there.
So check it out. He has more in store for 2020. Be on the lookout. Peace.
Drive fast, park cars in the boulevard. Go far, might pull up on the Hall of Fame. Stay fame, I don't really like to play with no fakes.